do? This your boy D-Boy the Beast coming at you with another video. Man, I'm gonna be installing a rough country catback exhaust for a 5.3 GMC Sierra. So you know I got the factory stuff in there, but I got a boiler. I don't think I'm saying it right. Boiler tip, well, muffler. Got a boiler muffler on there, and all the rest of it factory. I got a GMC tip coming out the back. So I'm going with the whole catback rough country exhaust system. So y'all stay tuned for that. The boy about to get it. That's a GMC tip. Come all the way down. Like I said, it's a single exhaust from the hangers. Right there. Two right there. That's the boiler muffler. Another hanger. And that thing. And this coupler right here, you gotta retain that. You go take that off and put on the aftermarket exhaust. So yeah, let me get to it, YouTube, and get back at you. Alright, YouTube, there go the piece you gotta put on the Cadillac converter right here. That's why you gotta retain this piece right here, because you gotta put it on this little inlet pipe and put that on there and hook that back to your Cadillac converter. So that's your first part you gotta do. Alright, y'all, there go the Cadillac converter right there. Then you hook that piece on there just like that. 13mm socket, tighten it down. Alright, YouTube, man, I'm done with the exhaust system on this GMC Hurricane, you know what it do. But yeah, I got it all mounted up. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. So there it go right there. Let me get up under here. There go the muffler. I'm gonna suck everything on the diagram that I use, step by step. Now there go the tilt on the right side, passenger side. Hey, that's my boy David right here. You see the GMC gang, Sierra. Hey, y'all listen to this exhaust right here. Dual pipe. Hey, this song good and loud, man. Straight good at all. That's gonna be loud, but and my boy Dave finna put his truck out here, Z71. What year this is?
1995.
1995.
K1500.
Oh yeah. Let me see what that thing got. That Z71. That thing hawking. That thing hawking. Alright, YouTube, that's all for the video. Hey, your boy about to be up out of here. I'm coming with some more stuff, but I hope y'all like my boy truck. Dave, you got a YouTube channel? He go get one after this. But you know, hey, your boy about to be up out here. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If y'all new, man, go ahead and subscribe. Stop watching the video. Give me a thumbs up. Say something. But you know, your boy.